What's up, friends? Today I have Heritage new lever action. It is their mare's leg, right? It's got the fat loop, nice wood, case hardened steel. This is a very compact little pistol. Pistol, not rifle, pistol. There is a exterior safety, which disables the lever, disables the hammer. Tube fed, 22 long rifle, 10 round capacity. This barrel length is 12.5 inches, okay? This is just a sweet holding firearm. I can't wait to go shoot it. I like how they did the old school with the new school. They even put their little branding mark in there, right? See that? Now, this does have a buckhorn rear sight with the brass bead front sight, okay? But look at that detail on there.